Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. This quote is by Natalie Goldberg. Follow what you love, and it will take you where you want to go. Bottom line, folks, think with your heart instead of your brain, and it won't do you wrong. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. Dow Industrial's up 75, Nasdaq's up 33, S&P's up 8.5, gold contract down $1.20, trading at $1,154 an ounce. Silver down 13 cents at $15.32 an ounce. Copper flat at $2.54 a pound. Light sweet crude up 65 cents at $52.85 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year up 10 ticks, 125.29. 30-year up 4 at 149.09. King dollar down 188 ticks at 96.81. The euro up 4 at 110, and the yen flat at 123.36. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look. And then we turn around, we take a look at the SPY. What you're going to see with the SPY out here is this. SPY that traded out and closed out at 210.72. Did volume out here of 77 million shares. That's anemic in an extraordinary way. It was going into the 203 million shares. Yesterday, you did 106 million shares. Bottom line, that the way this is looking, we'll go through the rest of these markets, but it looks to me like this could very well could be the end of this counter-trend bounce, a powerful counter-trend bounce. No two ways about that. In 5 days, you just went from 204 to 210.72. NDX 100. What do we have with the NDX 100? This is what you have. 3 Qs. 3 Qs out here closed at 110.26. You did 21 million shares. We did 25 million yesterday. That is going into 33 million. Now, it's intriguing about the Qs is this. The 2 downdraft days from the highs was the 26th and the 29th of June. What the Qs did do out here is that they got over the 26th. We traded to 110.56. That high was 110.23. We closed at 110.26. So we're over that level. We'll see whether we can hang at that level even for the next 15, 20 minutes, because what I suspect we're going to have a couple numbers come out. Bottom line is that there's not a failure on price and volume because it closed over it at 4 o'clock. Real close, though. IWM, what do we have with the small caps? Small caps out here closed at 126.19. That also had a contraction of volume. Now, this one here is weak big time. The 29th, that downdraft on the 29th, let me put this on a daily for you. So on the 29th, we had come down with 49 million shares. You're up with 20 million. It hasn't even made it to the high yet. That high of the 29th is 127.07. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, folks, you don't have sellers in gold, but yet we don't have any buyers in gold. They haven't been able to break the low. Not that they haven't tried. Bottom line is that the market has tried to basically take that low out time after time after time. When I was on vacation last week, I really liked what it did. When you take a look at how we traded on the 7th and on the 8th, it's pretty cool. The 7th, we got down to a price point of 1146. You got 1145 on the 8th. The low, however, is 1143.50. In both of those cases, as we came down, they rejected lower price, meaning the 1146.90, dramatically lighter volume, and that's that sign of strength of how we came off those lows in March. That March 18th day is a big day. So You know, we'll see, in fact, if we can get some buyers inside this market. Now, silver was a whole different animal that day. Silver basically took it on the chin in a huge way. If we go take a look at that silver market, this is what we had happening in silver. When silver went south, man, oh man, you talk about a hammering. Silver got down, well, in one day, which was on the 7th, it went from 1570 to 1462. That's like a monster move. Inside the future market, okay, that is like so far over the top, it's just amazing. That's a $5,000 move with a margin of only 7,700. So that's almost a wipeout move. Now, that being said, what did it do? Well, guess what? It rejected lower price pretty quickly. It not only rejected lower price, it goes topside. What silver has to do, though, and it almost made it today, it got up into it, it's 1538. It has to get back inside 1538. Then you'd be looking for a sign of strength for higher price. The ever-ready bond market. This bond market, folks, you have to love it, okay? If we take a look at the TLT, and I'll walk you through the 10-year, the 30-year first, okay? So the 10-year, what has the 10-year done? 10 years trading at 125.30. We've been in a consolidation since May. It has rejected lower price, and then it has had two separate signs of strength on the way up. Actually, three. First sign of strength was generated the 18th of June. The second one was generated the 29th of June, and the third one was generated the 7th of July. What does that set up? That sets up higher price, lower yield. Right now, the 10-year is trading at 2.399. So if you weren't into technical analysis and you're just saying, okay, flat out, common sense, what are the rates around the world compared to where we are? We're at 2.397 to lend money to the U.S. government for 10 years. If you want to lend money to France, you get paid 1.21. You want to lend money to Germany, you get paid 0.8%. You want to lend money to Italy or Spain, which have no money, you get 2%. Take your choice. It's that cut and dried, folks. That's how it comes down to. You want to lend money to Greece, which we know have no money, you're going to get 11.94. So that gets really intriguing. If we take a look at now, check this one out. This is where people are going to make some money. Don't buy these bonds, folks, but this is where I got to show you this, because this is where people will make some money. Because as long as this bailout package goes through for Greece, on a 2-year note, we're paying 0.6%. Greece is paying 25.1%. Check that out. You only have to get paid, what? Let's see, a couple years. Big money. Don't do it. Don't do it. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We're going to come back with our man, Mr. Andy Heck.